Good morning everyone. Welcome to the Philippines. Now the day 2, we are going for the land tour. My friend is over here to take me for the land tour. We are going, the first spot is Twin Beach. There's a mini store.
Good morning.
Good morning. Everybody happy in the morning. We are at the Twin Beach right now. See, this one called Twin Beach because both sides have a beach. See, a lot of dead seaweed over here. Still need to maintain. The water was crystal clear, there is no doubt about it. We check on the other side. On the other side is a calm beach. Good for children swimming over here. Seriously calm and nice. Look at that. Either way, the water was crystal clear. Very calm beach. So very good for children. I can see there's a small elevation over there. I want to check it out. Okay. Need to be very careful. Little bit challenging but manageable. There's a hard part done over there. Now it's the easy part. Look at this. These stones are very slippery. If you mistaken, it will roll you down. So guys, be careful while climbing on this. We came up. Look at that. And you have a nice flowers over here, beautiful. And you have a deep hole over here. Wow, you need to be careful over here. See how deep it is. Later I fly my drone so you can check it out. There you can see Manak Island over there. If you like the video so far, please like and comment below, and subscribe to the channel would be awesome. Thank you. just want to do cliff jump from there. It'll be awesome, but no one here for company. Travel so many miles, come to this beach. If you don't take a bath, that's going to be a problem. See how the place, how beautiful it is. We came for this. Awesome! Okay. Okay, we are going to jump down. You can see? Okay, you?
Yeah.
You can see?
Yeah.
The kids are very happy. Nice to swim in the water. It's very refreshing. You must try it. Beautiful beach. I really love it.
Hello.
Hi.
Hi.